Good morning, student, and welcome to Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent School, Muktai Nagar online tutorial. I am Sachin Patil, your computer teacher, and today we are going to solve worksheet first, chapter second. Chapter second, what is the name of chapter second? Types of computer. What? Types of computer. Worksheet first. First you write your name here. I write my name here. You write your name here. Okay? Sachin Prakash Patil. You write your name here. Understand? See. Now this is the picture. What you have to do here? Tick. Means you have to just tick. Where you have to tick? The picture that are computers. Here are some pictures that we are seen here. So in this picture, which picture is a computer? Which picture is a computer? This picture is a computer? Yes, this picture is a computer. So you tick here in this way. This computer, this picture is a computer? No. So you make a cross here. Then this picture is a computer? No. You make a cross here. Understand? Next. This picture is a computer? No. You make a cross here. This is a computer? Yes. This is a laptop types computer. So you tick here. It is computer. This picture is a computer? No. It is a pencil. So you make a cross here. In this way you can do sort the which is the computer. This one and this one is only a computer, and this and this are the machines or different things. Now see, the next point is what? Personal computer. Now in this chapter we are going to learn the types of computer. What we are going to learn? Types of computer. The first type is personal computer. First type is personal computer. Personal computer, it is the type of computer. What is personal computer? See. Okay. Now the computer, see, I read here. The computer which is used for own purpose. Which is used for own purpose. Which purpose? Own purpose is known as personal computer. Is known as personal computer. What you write here then? Personal. You write here personal. Okay. The computer which is used for own purpose. Own purpose means for our purpose. Is known as personal computer. Understand? What you write here? Personal computer. So this is the personal computer. Now types of computer. Types of personal computer. This is the personal computer. Now the personal computers type. How many types are personal computer? First is desktop computer. It is also called as a desktop computer. It looks like a desktop computer. Why it is desktop? Because it is placed on the desk. This computer is placed on the desk, on the table. That's why this computer is called as a desktop computer. Understand? Very good. Now a desktop computer. A desktop computer can be what? Small. How they look like? A desktop computer can be small. Again, medium. A desktop computer can be small, medium, or large in size. Large in size. Understand? A desktop computer can be small, medium, or large in size. Means this type of computer we can find out in small, in a medium size, or in a large size. Understand? Very good. Now see next. Desktop computer means it is usually placed on the desk, and it is placed on a desk or not a, it is usually placed on the desk. It is placed on a desk. Desk mean table. It is usually placed on a desk. Desk mean table, or not portable, or not portable. Desktop computer is usually placed on a desk or not portable. Portable means what? Means we cannot move this computer. We cannot move from one place to another place. From one place to another place. This computer we cannot move from one place to another place. That is called portable. That is called portable. Understand? What is the meaning of portable? Means we cannot move from one place to another place. That is called portable. Understand? Now next, turn the page. See what inside this page. Desktop computers are easy to upgrade. Easy to upgrade. What you write here? Upgrade. Means we can easily modify. Upgrade means what? We can easily change. Upgrade means what? We can easily change. So desktop computers are easy to upgrade. Upgrade means to make a change. Upgrade means to raise to a higher standard. To raise to a higher standard, or to make a change in it. Okay? To make a little higher. That is called upgrade. Understand? Desktop computers are easy to upgrade. Desktop computers are computers heavy in size, heavy in weight. Heavy in weight. Just like our weight, computer also have a weight. Okay? So, a desktop computers heavy in weight. Heavy in weight. WEIGST, weight. Now, desktop computer requires dash dash to run. What it requires? Electricity. We know that desktop computers requires electricity. Electricity to run. Just like we requires food. When we eat a food, then we can do any work. Correct? So in this way, a desktop computer requires electricity to run. Understand? Very good. Now next question. Next is laptop computer. What is laptop computer? Have you seen this picture? See. Have you seen this picture? This picture is called as a laptop computer. What it's called as a laptop computer. So, what is laptop computer? See. Laptop are battery powered personal computer. Which type of computer? The laptops are battery powered, means they wants battery. They work on a battery power. What do you write here? Battery power. Laptops are battery power personal computer. They wants battery to run. And that battery is charged with the help of electricity. Understand? So laptop are battery powered personal computer. Second, They are easily carried around at various location. They can carry from one place to another place. One place to another place. So they are easily carried around at various locations. What do you write here? Locations. Locations means from one place to another place. One place to another place. That is called locations. They are easily carried out at various locations. Understand? Very good. Now next. A laptop computer is very light in weight. Very light in weight. A laptop computer is very light in weight. Understand? Very light in weight. Laptop computer is very light in weight. Means they are very light, or their weight is very small. So this is called as a light in weight. Understand? Now the third type of desktop computer. Third type, notebook computer. First is desktop computer. Then second is laptop computer. Third is notebook computer. Understand? Which computer? Notebook computer. It is the third desktop type computer. Notebook computer. See, notebook computers are generally smaller than laptop. Notebook computers are smaller. What you write here? Smaller. What you write here? Smaller. Smaller. What you write here? Smaller. Notebook computers are smaller than laptop. Means these computers are smaller than laptop. This is the laptop type computer and this is the notebook type computer. These computers are smaller than laptop. Understand? Next. They are extremely light. They are extremely light weight. Their weight is very small. They are extremely light weight. Understand? They can easily fit into a briefcase. They can easily fit. Means easily we can put inside the briefcase. Inside into a briefcase. Understand? Briefcase means a box, a small box that carry our stuff, or that carry our things. That is called as a small box or a briefcase. Understand? They can easily fit into a briefcase. Understand? Very good. Now next, the fourth type is tablet. The fourth type is tablet. What is tablet? See, everyone know that smartphone. A computer that is bigger than a smartphone, that is called tablet. A computer that is bigger than a smartphone, that is called tablet. See, this is the picture of tablet. This is the picture of tablet. Now, tablet. A tablet is smaller than notebook. See, this tablet is smaller than notebook. This tablet is smaller than notebook. And this notebook is smaller than laptop. Understand? See the tablet. A tablet is smaller. Again you have to write here smaller. A tablet is smaller than notebook. Smaller than notebook. It is means tablet. It is means tablet. Tablet is a wireless device. Which type of device this? Wireless device. Is a wireless device. Is a wireless. Wireless means what? Without wire. This tablet does not have a wire. This tablet does not require a wire. So it is called as a wireless. It is called as a wireless. It is a wireless device. It is a wireless device. It is a wireless device. Understand? Very good. Now next is it has touch screen interface. Touch screen. Touch screen, you know that. Smartphone have a touch screen. We just touch on the smartphone and the phone is operated. In this way, the tablet also is a touch screen. It has touch screen interface. Which type of interface it is? Touch screen. Which type of interface it is? Touch screen. Touch screen. Touch screen. It has touch screen interface. Now see. Next. It can easily carried out from one place to another place. It can easily carried out from one place to another. Means easily it can take from one place to another place. It can easily carried out from one place to another place. Understand? This is about the types of personal desktop personal computer. This is the types of personal computer. Which types? Personal computers types. How many types? First, desktop computer. Second, laptop computer. Third, notebook computer. Fourth, tablet computer. So the four types of desktop personal computer. Understand? Now turn the page. Next topic, that is nothing but the second type, supercomputer. First we had seen the desktop computer. Now supercomputer. What is supercomputer? See, supercomputers are very large. Supercomputers are very large. They are very expensive. Expensive means what? Means they required a lot of money. That is called expensive. They are very expensive. Understand? Who are expensive? Supercomputers. Supercomputers are very large. Supercomputers are expensive. Supercomputers are very powerful and fastest. Powerful and fastest type of computer. Supercomputers are very powerful and fastest type of computer. Understand? Supercomputers are very powerful and fastest types of computer. Okay? Now next one is uses of supercomputer. Huh? What is the uses of supercomputer? Uses of supercomputer. What is the uses of supercomputer? See, supercomputers are used in weather forecasting. Used in weather forecasting. Use in weather forecasting. Weather forecasting means what? Means to check where the rain is falling. Weather forecasting means what? Supercomputers are checking from the sky. Supercomputers are checking from the sky where the rain is falling, where the cloud is coming, so where the sun rays are heavy, so where the temperature is big. So all this information is checked by supercomputers, and that is called as a weather forecasting. That is called as a weather forecasting. What is weather forecasting? Weather forecasting means to check where the rain is falling, where the sun rays are big or heavy, where the cloud is coming. So this is called as a weather forecasting, and this weather forecasting is checked by supercomputers. This is the first use of supercomputer. Now what is the second use? Supercomputers are used in nuclear energy research. Use in nuclear energy research. Where it can be used? Nuclear energy research. What is nuclear energy? That energy is used for the what purpose? A missile purpose, a rocket purpose. Have you seen the rocket that stand or that goes in the space? So this nuclear energy is used for that purpose, or for making the missiles. Understand? So supercomputers are used in a nuclear energy research. Understand? Very good. Now next type is mainframe computer. What is the next type? Mainframe computer. Mainframe computers are very large computer. Very large computer. Mainframe computers are very large. Second, mainframe computer performs thousands of tasks simultaneously. Performs thousands of tasks at a time. Mainframe computers perform thousands of tasks at a time. Means at a time, this mainframe computer can do thousands of operations, thousands of calculations, thousands of jobs at a time, at the same time. So it is a very large computer. That's why it is called as a very large computer. Understand? This is the type of mainframe computer. First is personal computer. Second is supercomputer. Then third is mainframe computers. Now the uses Uses of mainframe computer. What? Uses of mainframe computer. See, what are the uses of mainframe computer? What are the uses of mainframe computers? Mainframe computers are used by a large organization for processing a data. For processing a data. For processing data. Uses of mainframe computer means what? For processing a data. Processing a data and solving queries. Second, solving queries. This is first, this is second use. For processing data, solving queries. Again, third is use in a bank, use in banks. Again, then used in big organizations, used in big organizations. So these are the 4 uses of mainframe computer. What? For processing a data. Mainframe computers are used for processing a data, solving a queries, used in a banks, used in a big organizations. So this is the use of these mainframe computers. Understand? Very good. So this is the end of the worksheet first, chapter second. Now we will come on the worksheet second, chapter second. Thank you, student.